Hey guys and gals, my name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review, and it is time for some viewer mail. Oh yeah, you guys are so awesome. I really do appreciate everybody. Thank you guys so much for sending in the packages, the letters, and so on. I'm a lucky man. For this episode here, I have 4 different packages to be opening up. Now the first one, I actually can't show to you all because it's on a memory card. Now what's on this memory card? I have no idea. It says, I thought that you would enjoy something nice for you and your family on this micro SD card. Happy holidays. Same to you, my friend. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to get home to see what's on there. The next package comes from Zach. Zach, thank you so much, man. I really do appreciate this. I have to say it. What's in the box? Let's find out what's in the box, shall we? Starting with the letter here, Zach says, Dear Luke and Susie, thank you for the videos. Upbeat, positive. Saved him a metric ton of money on camping gear. My friend, you are so welcome, buddy. Thank you so much for joining me and watching all the videos. I do pump out quite a few of them, don't I? At least 3 a week for how many years? I know it takes a lot of time, money, and energy to produce the content that you do for the viewers. And he wanted to give back. Wow, thank you so much, man. So check this out, everybody. This is pretty neat. What we have here are 2 Sea Line dry bags. These are for the FILBE sustainment pouches. Wow, those are awesome. I can't begin to tell you how often I'm needing a dry bag of this size. Next up, we have this right here. What is this? Does the cross give it away? Anyone? So check this out. Wow. This is a full-fledged trauma kit. I mean, it's packed to the gills, full of everything that you would need. You really have gone above and beyond here. Got a tourniquet, burn dressing, the scissors, bandages, combat gauze, more combat gauze. Again, Zach, thank you so much, buddy. Wow, that is awesome. I feel like it's Christmas. Next up, we have a package from Jason. And included in this package is the world's biggest spoon. Check that out. Oh yeah. This is a spoon which is big enough to use with a Mountain House meal. I mean, this way you can eat from the bag without getting your hands all nasty. That is awesome. It's very, very lightweight. It's rubbery, feels good. Excellent quality. Ah, man, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. That is killer. Moving on, one more package. This comes from my friend. No need to even name names. He knows who he is. A North Face long sleeve shirt. A short sleeve cool dry North Face shirt. I mean, check that thing out. That is awesome. Then there's a pair of merino wool tights. You guys know I'm a huge fan of tights. Nothing is better to sleep in than these. These are from North Face. And that is that. Thank you so very much. Guys, I don't know what I've done to deserve all this, but I really do appreciate it. I look at you all as my friends, my family. The odds are I won't meet most of you, but I do appreciate every single one of you. You guys have made this channel what it is today. It continues to grow super rapidly. Just thank you all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel like it's Christmas time and these are my Christmas presents. Guys, I do appreciate you all. Everybody take care, strength and honor. I will see you guys around. It's freaking cold, man. Where did I put my gloves at? It's cold today. It was actually a pretty nice morning, but there's rain coming in tonight. It's getting breezy. Oh yeah. See you guys.